sex at the dance floor. Pwede maaari niyong dalhin ang inyong mga kapareha. Ito man ay asawa, boyfriend, girlfriend, kapatid, nanay, tatay, o kung ano man ang inyong
Yeah, it's a boy. He's due next week. She's excited. Her heart's on the glow. She turns on the radio and she dances with her little man, spinning around, belly in hand, 'cause she knows there'll come a day some lucky girl will dance in her place. She holds on as long as she can to her little man. She held that baby.
Everyone,
so
a mother
tight
and son
in her
dance
arms.
symbolizes a mother's wish that JV will be the man she raised him to be. Ang sayaw nga ng mag-ina ay sumisimbolo sa mga hilig ng isang ina na si JV nga ay isang magiging matinong lalaki na ngayon bubuo ng kanyang bagong pamilya. Warm of applause once again for Mrs. Elena De Vera for the mother and son dance.
And she dances with her little man, spinning around, hand in hand.
From
'Cause
one
she-
heartfelt dance, let's move on to the next. Let's
Be the one. I know you tell me everything. You are the one I cherish more than